Hello guys, good evening. Welcome to my channel. So today we are here with day 9 of FSSI daily quiz as per the new exam pattern. So if you have not watched the previous videos, you can go to my channel and I have made a separate playlist for quiz. So you can watch the previous videos there. And I have also uploaded the PDF in my Telegram channel. So the link in the description box. So if you want the PDF, you can join my Telegram channel. So now let us start today's quiz. So the first question is, according to FSSA, compensation in case injury of death of consumer and interim relief shall be paid to the next of the kin within dash days of incident. So this is nothing but the compensation thing. So if person dies because of not following the FSSA rules, then the person should be compensated within 3 days. So the compensation must be provided to the kin of the person to within 3 days. In which of the following situations the investment will decrease? So the question is, in which of the following investment will decrease? So if you look at the options, almost all of them look similar, but please use your common sense here. So investment should increase means there should be increase in the output and increase in the capital stock. So if both of them should increase, then only investment will increase, or else if there is no output, then you will not get any capital amount to invest again. So both of them should increase. So the answer is C. So you can see, if the capital stock rises, the real interest rate falls. The fall in the interest rates will make the people to start saving more. It will also increase the investment. Increasing output by increasing productivity will also increase the capital and increase investment. The next question is, Dash has the power to make rules under FSSA. So only central government is having the power to make rules for FSSA. Not even FSSA can make rules for FSSA. If the people prefer to keep cash with them rather than deposits, which among the following impact will be seen on money supply? So, if people save in their fixed deposit or in any savings account of their bank, then what will happen? So if the money is kept in the bank, then there won't be any circulation of money itself. So if there is no circulation of money, there won't be demand created in the economy. See, everything is connected here. If money is saved, then there is no circulation. If there is no circulation, there won't be any spending. So if there is no spending, there won't be any demand for the goods. So if the goods is not demanded, then the production will also decrease. So this overall decreases the economy, GDP of a country. So you need to think in a cycle manner. So here, if the people wish to keep their cash with them rather than deposits, which among the following will impact? So the money supply in the of the country will decrease. So the answer is decrease. The term masala bond, sometimes appearing in news, is related to. So the masala bond. So as you can see, the name as masala. Masala is Indian origin, right? So it is a Indian rupee denominated bonds issued in offshore capital market. So you can use these simple tricks. So in the name itself, it has masala. So masala is related to India itself. So as you can, if you see other other options, then it is quite sure that it is India rupee denominated. Whereas in other option, there is no Indian rupee denominated. That's why the answer is A. If you want, you can read this. The recently launched Pradhan Mantri Kisan Sampada Yojana will be implemented by which ministry? So here it is a trap question, because see, as soon as you see Pradhan Mantri Kisan Sampada Yojana, you will tick agriculture and farmers welfare. But the answer is wrong, because Kisan Sampada Yojana is not implemented by agriculture, but it is implemented by Ministry of Food Processing Industries. So please remember this. Pradhan Mantri Kisan Sampada Yojana is implemented by food processing industries. So Kisan Sampada Yojana is a comprehensive package which will result in creation of a modern infrastructure with efficient supply chain management. The main objective of PMKSY is to supplement agriculture, modernize processing, and decrease agri-waste. So it is not about production of crops. It is completely related to supplement agriculture, modernizing processing, and decrease agri-waste. PMKSY will act as an umbrella scheme for incorporating ongoing schemes for like mega food parks, integrated cold chain, value addition, food safety, quality assurance. So these are the total schemes which have been subsumed under an umbrella scheme called as Kisan Sampada Yojana. So please remember this. The Tadoba Andheri National Park, that is sheltering tiger, panthers, and bear, is located in. So Tadoba Andheri National Park, or the Tiger Reserve, is present in the state of Maharashtra, and the specific reason is called as Chandrapur. So it is in the state of Maharashtra. Okay, please remember this. Which among the following state produces 60% of the salt? So the highest salt producing state is, I guess, most of you will think it is Rajasthan, but it is Gujarat. So because see Rajasthan, yes, the Sambar Lake is the place where high amount of salt is produced. That's true. But here the question asks which among the following states produce 60% of the salt of India. So in terms of states, the answer is Gujarat. So please remember this. It's not Rajasthan. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. So if you like the video, please like it and share it, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.